Kajing kami linti baka sorkar pedengkan ajing menjurban pentre kami ke inner line permit ILP Hamegalaya kadang sa ha ka jirwat bat empat tip hadu lanu ka sorkar pedengkan aya ka jubab ka basyai. Habau Menteri Korbari ka sorkar pedeng u Amit Shah u wan syakani ka jella ha ka arpusal terik bat arpusan terik unaitung hajar arpwe kaladon kajing kami linti baka jinge kendu ha pedeng jong u bat ka sorkar jella lembat kiseng maper kan long ka baseso.
Nilai kenduk batu Union Minister Amit Shah ji rengkat bat ki nong yalam jong ke parti mengaku presiden ki state vice president general secretary ki secretary nilai kenduk batu kamat kebangi ya keren menin nilai ya syong slam batu hadu kumba sistem kentatam kabeningkong nilai keren batu syapang kene ka ILP issue kabar ni keren batu hakabedai bat kane ka interstate boundary dispute kamat kabalai ki bagi keren bat kane ka 8 schedule ban ketup lang ya ka ketien kasih ke jongi bat kamat kebasan ni keren lu sepang kane ka amendment jong ka 6 schedule markum bapitip na kaliang jong ka sorkar jongi na po Delhi ki kwa ba ya kini ki council kin kelano akum kita ki Territorial Council. Kenang bakin yo sibun kabor, bat kandon ruka direct funding naka sanda. Kita kimat ki bangi keren menen, bat sakiwei patu bangi keren kadai halor ka parti. Bat ni lai keren ru syapang kade ka kaak ka bill ka syapang ki kau protection ru, abade masih dari ulah ong yang ni bahkan ni ketika state subject kan don kecing kita bahkan ni ketika state subject buat ngilah kami keren bani aru syapang kumno ban penkre ya ke election ke banwan house nem arajar arulai kita kide kecing keren buat nak kaliang dijongi ni sluhun hak bagi layo ban ya pelu jumut hak jinon rengkat lang buat kini ki union minister kumji kishan ready nang tahu Dr. Jitendra Singh uyodon rengkat hak puar bagi keren karena kalian jongi ke parti lada don kam insa lek biang sedeli bania kenduk ya home minister jongi bania keren sibun ki hak bedai pat kastit ke jongi yang ke jong Ukraine syai wong ba nilayo ya kane gajing dawa chung ki pat ba na po mekelea bat na po ka mekelea assembly ru kila ai de resolution bat kalong menta kidang pet benia ka kawai na kajing kabangi keduk namar kene ke transit state nang ni ki yai lembah ki wei pat ki breu ki balik sport Manipur sport Silchar nang sport Agartala sport Mizoram lese kadon ka ki hapan eksamen ni ka kamdei benong ha ka ba insurai la karai bat ki hapan pet ba kadai ben yabiang ye bit dut kan bukan dei ka bil kan kata ka kebaki ai ka inaran permit ru kan dei kan long ke bajanai kata kata kecingkeran ke bagi yo nau home minister
Henry kajingmi ina kane kajing ya kendu kam shimlapan idak baka Meghalaya kan yo klo ya ka ILP bat kane kajing dawa lesi kandang sateng watla ka yat mentala bun posnem ka ILP kade ka an ka bapet ya kajingwan ki briu ki banabar syaka jela ha ka baki ha ban shim da ka permit hashwa banyo rung la kade ya ki nong jngok kai perthei ni ki bawan don kam ka ILP kala don lupa ha Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, bat haus nam arhada arpo ka Manipuru kala yo ban pintrikam ya ka ILP. Ha kini ki kenyat sngi ki jingtho kila sata ha ki kenro bat harut surok ha keleng kanong ba Shillong bat ha ki wei ki district. Bat kini ki jingtho ki pinram bat bu jingkeli ya ka jingbam ai rai ka sorkar pedeng ha bayade bat ka jingdawa ya ka ILP. Minta ngen sengap ya kejingkren ke bami nak ikat tu kat ni kiseng bat nong yalam san hima sima hadian kejingwan u Amit Shah Megalaya.
KSU, FKGP, HMNF and us also was demanding the same thing. The fact that we are not under one umbrella doesn't mean that we are different in ideology. We are together, and not just us are together. The entire Meghalaya Legislative Assembly are together. All the three ADC are together. The people of the state are together on this. So it's not just us coming together; it's everyone coming together actually. So we will working on this important issue. I can't say so whether they politicize or not, but to us, the people who has genuinely need for the protection, we would like to urge and demand that ILP and other important issue like border dispute, inclusion of language in the schedule should not be politicized at any cost at any ways. We will fight till we achieve it. So we cannot take that into account also. So yeah, it's very disappointed. So we feel that this once again has let down the moral of the indigenous people in the state of Meghalaya, and we are not losing hope once again. We will try to come back stronger than this, and we hope that the union government should listen to the aspiration of the indigenous people as well. But I will assure you that the fight will continue and it will be much stronger and stronger from now on. Tell you that yeah, he has allowed us to submit the memorandum. He allowed us to make submission. The President KSU start the submission, and then I come and second the justification of why we need ILP. Then after that, he just said, let's discuss other issues if there is any. So others member from some CSO, since he has closed the discussion of ILP, there is important issue like border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, and the inclusion of languages into the schedule of the country. Of course, these two also are very important, no doubt, but we actually have high hope that, you know, get a better clear pictures of what's happening to ILP and others. So yeah, it's very disappointed. I cannot say so whether he interested or not. I cannot say so, but why he should not interested in the protection of the indigenous people? Why should the government is there if it doesn't able to protect the identity, the cultures, the land of the indigenous people? He did not even say he is interested. He doesn't even give any. He did not even say anything. What will he do? Doesn't even explain the portion. Of course, he heard to the submission we made. There's no doubt of that. But he did not give any assurance. He does not say what will they do in the futures. So I cannot give whether he interested or not, that I can say. But definitely this had let down the moral of the indigenous people of the state.
Di gani kamde shu kasin ke bandang kong ba nakaliang tu kisang balang mila anggut pakai di kampung jalan. Aswa bang tren je kai bang ini sing yang pertama khat pendai trip pura khat pendai. Ru pungut kinong thoan sukar jalan kita pas official service. Kata ada ini ko pas tapi ko lihat madan madia anda kita kinong thoan ba ba di ma ko kita pun. Forawan ko jingalang kanisi fi nanti banju edibit kambnya ano kali ka andrai hila step hi kai gwaji atau jingalang mata kasiru batai syai kalong ba na kaliang menteri kampung yang sekarang dia wa susap ya ke bangi batai kajing kwa jongi ku kisang balang bat jong kejala ko ya lo ka LP andrai kamdon kanu kajing kular bat kamdon kanu komitmen pai dei ka LP bat ngakran da basai bakani kadai ka big insol ya literary trembeluk ta kajaki jong kejala ko namar lada sistem tam lepas ya taka resolution semala ban ay tang sikiti ni pantang ya ka ay ganung rem ni ka stand jong indian government holor ka ILP issue tang kata mala ban tiba sa ko kenir komne komblong iba wat yakin rupungat semlakin sna na kaliang jungi kumsang balang ni sa song ban pakhat ni sing ebennya ni soto kadang kene pandemik kumta handrai virus bal kejap ya kejap benri bag jela bra kuai ni hak ban wat lagi jong doy ni semua.
We were very disappointed. It happened the first time also. The first time we met him, he simply denied to discuss on the issue. Even this time also, he heard us. He said that he will look into the matter, but that is the only important word he said today. So we wanted to talk about the importance of ILP from the Garo Hills side also. Because right now you see, in Garo Hills, in a place called Wadagokre, near Baitbari, in the Plain Belt district, around 800 people have forcibly come in. They have squatted on a plot of land, which is so near the this one here is an ancestral archaeological site. So we wanted to make the Home Minister understand, but he did not give us the chance. What I wanted to say was this one. See, we have the 6th schedule, we have the Land Transfer Act, we have so many hosts of other other laws and rules. But these rules are not the panacea. This is not going to solve all our problems. So we wanted something like the ILP, so that this mechanism can regulate the illegal influx. So that's why we wanted ILP. We wanted to discuss with him, but he did not discuss with us.
Kaba udawan bersimkhia siya ya ke isu kaba kum sistem halang kum sarkar kum jai beri ni kuat ya kata ke petrika mi KLP maksudnya rung hapo ngila sutu ya kata ba ni pasang ban ya kira ya kata ke jinton kami KLP hindai kaba penlengok kalau nakaliang usia muru intervene balakran way labiang nakaliang home minister intervene balakran way labiang la sutu hindai KLP kamkut tak jingkran way kum binong lam sambalang midon sibun di poin bani kini ya kaba uni home minister sim laila ini bani keren rasuang kata fidan gue isu vila bani keren wilayah keren lu ke border isu nilai keren ke schedule but kabami ina sinto jong chief minister ni kalong ba the home minister will examine this matter nai kaba phala pa kalong nakaliam home minister si continue kami ayu le alor kini isu bang nilai keren kemudian kani kejingan dengan mecha kani continue pemerintah wal hadin bola panap ingi kato kani benai kejingan di ko kado kalong le noi ni smo ba kalong le noi but kam simpoi kan discussion ka ba kabantai ya kalawai jong jalan